That's my cupcakes. Mommy, it's me first. First, we need a lot of things we do, guys. First, we need a lot of things. I need to pull out some guys. There.
And then you put it right here.
There.
Nice and slow. Very good.
Next.
It's a soccer ball.
Yeah, just like that. Nice football.
Wow. Next. Slowly.
There, the cupcakes will come soon, guys. I see one. Hi, guys. We're gonna make our sifter sauce.
I-sift mo yung flour. Sige. O, matapos. Look at that, oh. Yung mga sifted flour na sa ilalim. O, gusto mo ba ito na lang?
Yeah.
Ganun.
Mommy, my turn. Hi, guys. We need cocoa powder with Mommy Lai.
Yeah.
Mommy Lai will bake some cupcakes. But the cupcakes are not ready, guys. So, we need to bake some cupcakes. Mommy, can I mix it?
Yes, slowly. Slowly lang.
It's turning whiter and whiter. I'm going to school to practice how to stir. Sit. Mommy, I turn it lighter. Mommy, still. Blurry.
Okay?
Mommy, it's me first.
Sige na, i-ready mo na yan. Gawa ka ng bundok dyan. O, ilagay na natin ito. Ready ka na?
Okay, where did she go?
Mixture natin ng wet ingredients. 1 lang, ha?
Me?
1 direction, hindi pa ganun-ganun. Only ganun lang. I-assist mo na kita kasi hindi ka pa marunong. First timer ka maging baker. What do you notice?
Love that smell. Is it wait to make some more things?
I hope this will gonna work.
It's turning red na.
Ah, you're funny!